ReVent new construction, fast and secure. Pull the ReVent parts from the box. Now, let's get started. Remove the damper from the fan housing. Slide both short brackets on the fan housing facing the same direction. Select 1/2 or 5/8 inch sheetrock holding tabs based on sheetrock thickness. Bend selected tabs 90 degrees outward. Place the sheetrock holding tabs against the bottom of the truss. Mark the bracket hole locations. Remove the short brackets from the fan housing. Screw the short brackets in place. Slide fan housing onto the short brackets. Add the long bracket to the back side of the fan housing. Align with short bracket to the next truss. Mark and screw. Slide the fan housing to the middle. Screw the brackets through the slot into the provided fan housing holes. Add the third bracket securing screw on the vent pipe side. Unplug the fan motor connector and remove the electric cover set screw. Pull the electrical enclosure out of the fan housing. Feed the electrical through the electrical knockout and secure to the fan housing. Connect the wiring using the provided quick connects. Slide the electric enclosure into the fan housing. Reattach the set screw. Plug in the fan motor connector. Separate the dust mask from the middle of the cutout template. Place the dust mask into the housing to protect the fan during other stages of new construction. Bend two securing tabs slightly inward to hold the dust mask in place. Prep the damper. Attach the damper to the vent pipe. Use vent tape to secure. Slide the damper onto the fan housing. Remove dust mask from the fan housing. Press the final securing tabs against the ceiling. Attach the trim ring. Clip fan shield into place. Fast and secure new construction. ReVent.